This one is called Tainted Love. That's right. That's when your love's not good love, okay? Maybe like a side chick, but you're in love, or you're a side dude, okay? It's tainted, okay? Not the good stuff. So we start off with some Grenadine, okay? And our tainted love story, okay? Followed by some Tequila Rose, okay? This is creamy, but it's tequila flavored, okay? You understand, a lot of tainted stuff going on here. Have you ever been involved in a tainted relationship? One of those where you love the person, but they don't love you back equally, okay? You know what I'm saying? You ever felt that? I've never felt, I'm lying, okay? Anyway, hit that top with Bailey's. Bang, okay? That is our mix in this Tainted Love Fest. Tainted Love is always good though, okay? I mean, seriously. I mean, like, it breaks your heart, but when you're with that person, it's good stuff. Whipped cream, sprinkle on some pink sugar, okay? All right? So please post your Tainted Love story below, okay? Your side chick story, side dude stories, okay? You can't love someone unless they love you, man, all right? I'm on a diet, so I just eat the top, all right?